Hey, what's up guys, Prabhat here, and I'm here with another episode of awesome iOS apps. Make sure to check out our previous episodes if you haven't already. I'm pretty sure you'll find some useful apps there. And not to forget, stay tuned for top Android apps which is coming up next week. Now let's get started with this episode. Starting off with Fetch Feed. This is a personalized news app that will keep you updated on topics that interests you like humor, gaming, music, tech, lifestyle, etc. You can select your favorite topics while setting up this app, and then you get the news and updates from the selected categories. You get article recommendations up top, and you can scroll through the highlights. Almost every highlight here comes with a video or a meme, which is really fun and interactive. It's a fun app to keep yourself updated on various topics, and I believe it's a perfect time killer. Next up is Fide. This app will keep your device safe from suspicious websites, trackers, ad bogus emails, and suspicious Wi-Fi networks. This app uses its own VPN to ensure you are browsing safe. Here you have general overview that shows whether you are safe from your connected network. Then you have a graph showing you all the number of ads and suspicious websites or pop-ups that were blocked. From settings, you can configure various protection settings and exceptions which allows domains to show ads. This is a great option for trusted websites which you browse regularly. All in all, it's a great app to keep your device safe from trackers, annoying ads, and suspicious websites. Next up is Brella. This is a fun weather app that presents and alerts you about the weather in the funniest way possible. First off, the forecast is very accurate with details on wind, humidity, etc. Moreover, you can also check the weather for the whole week. One cool feature is that you can personalize this app from settings. You can assign the type of clothes you wear as per the weather outside. Doing this gives you weather notification, which is quite fun as you can see here. Give this app a try, you will love it. Next up is Decor Matters. This is an app for interior design enthusiasts. This app is perfect for sharing your interior design work as well as get new ideas from various posts, blogs, and newsfeed. On the home page, you can randomly browse through various posts and designs. Up top, you have blogs from different designers with detailing on their design choices. Moreover, you can also browse through furnitures and design your own place, whether it's your bedroom, living room, office, or kitchen. This app also comes with AR support, meaning you can virtually place a furniture to see how it goes with the interior. Amazing stuff, a must-try for designers. Next up is QuickShot. Basically, this is a photo editing app, or rather, photo enhancing app. As you can see here, you have different filters, so you can go with the one that suits the picture. The good thing about these filters is that these are not overdone. Plus, the filters are categorized into different sections, like day, sunset, cinematic, etc. for the respective look. Furthermore, you can edit each element of the picture, like the sky, where you can only change the look of the sky. Similarly, we have portrait filters that really goes well with portraits. Then we have additional filters, some basic picture adjustment tools, and many more. All in all, this is an amazing photo editing app. Next on the list is Go Guitar. Basically, this is a one-stop solution if you want to learn guitar. Here you can browse through different songs and genres. Select the one you like, and then it shows you the chord progression for the song. At the bottom, you have various sections like Learn, Songs, Tuner, and Your Profile. For beginners, you can start with Learn, where you can learn all the basics. Then you have Songs, where you get to search for the songs you want to learn chord progression for. Tuner helps you to tune your guitar strings. So all in all, if you are into music and especially into guitar, this is the app to get. Last but not the least is Trainiac. Basically, this is a fitness app, but it's very different from other apps I have tried. Before starting a program, you get to choose your fitness assistant, which is like a personal trainer. You can interact with them through voice or text messages. I believe this is an amazing feature if you are a serious fitness enthusiast. You can then give in your details, choose your program or goal, and then begin. The app is totally free and is perfect for fitness enthusiasts. So that was it for this video, guys. I hope you found some useful apps here. Feel free to comment and leave your recommendations down below. Stay tuned for upcoming contents, and I will catch you guys in the next one.